In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this flying camera effect in 5 minutes. We'll learn how to use a mesh circle to create a track, convert it to mesh, attach the camera, and center the logo at the end of the video. Let's press Shift-A to create a mesh circle. If you don't see that in the menu, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. Tab to go to edit mode. 1 to vertex select. Let's remove half of the vertices like this. Let's select this vertex, and E to extrude. This is going to be the path the camera will be traveling on. Please feel free to make any shapes, but end the path in the middle like this. Let's convert this mesh to a curve. Select the camera and type N to bring up the Properties window. Let's reset its location and position. Time to follow the path, and animate path. Let's create an empty object, and set it as the camera's track to object. We can use any objects, and the camera will follow along the curve, and focus on the empty object. We need to use the empty object, because it's invisible and it will stand still. That means our target object can freely move or rotate, without affecting the camera's movement or focus. There are 3 ways to center an object to the camera. One is to move the empty object, and another is to move the path itself. But those methods are going to take too much time, and they aren't as accurate as the last method. The last method is to adjust the camera's shift, X, and Y, after all the animation arrangements are complete. Let's remove the teapot, and create a new text object. In object mode, R, X, and 90, to rotate the mesh 90 degrees on the X axis. I'll add some bevel and extrude values. Let's center the mesh on the X axis. As we can see, this object is not properly centered. I always adjust the camera's shift, X, and Y settings in order to center the object to the camera like this. To change the movement speed of the camera, please select the path, and go to its Object Data Properties. After that, go to Path Animation and change the frame's value. If more values are added, the camera will move slower. Less values will make the camera to move faster. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.